First thing you want to do before you make any adjustments to the deck is to ensure that all four tires are properly inflated. What we have here is a John Deere D105 lawn tractor, and the deck is not level, and it's been riding on the anti-scalp wheels for some time, and that's not supposed to happen. So we'll change those out and we'll level the deck. What I have done here is I've placed the height adjuster at 1.5 inches. I'm going to take a piece of 2x6, lay it on the ground that is 1.5 inches thick, and I'm going to adjust the front of the mower deck first. So you can see this does not fit through here, so I'm going to take and tighten that. It is a 15 millimeter, and you might need to have a deep well socket, otherwise you can use a wrench or a spanner. And we'll go ahead and tighten that up until this can just barely slide under. Okay, I have this adjusted now where this will just slide under there nicely. Makes a little bit of contact. Now we'll go ahead and do the rear. Lastly, we'll tighten this one up so this fits underneath there. Now that we have the two back ones even, we'll go ahead. This front one came up a little bit too much, so we'll just take and back this off and lower it down and double check them. So now that we have the deck level, it doesn't pay to put new wheels on here unless you have the deck level. You're going to need a 15 millimeter wrench and a 15 millimeter socket, and we'll go ahead and remove this wheel here. Have a new one here. And as you can see, it doesn't touch the ground when it's in that low position, and that's what you want. It's only for when you go on over uneven terrain that it'll keep it from scalping the lawn. And we'll go ahead and do the other side.